Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a genuine computerized money with a dynamic local area, impelled by its script calculation for openness and an extraordinary inflationary model. With a culture of charity, microtransaction capacities, and a notable image persona, Dogecoin stands apart as an easy-to-use and socially huge digital currency. On the off chance that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Dogecoin Doge will go from here on out, we will break down the past costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Dogecoin outline. Dogecoin is a digital money that began as a carefree joke in view of the famous Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. In any case, what started as an entertaining idea before long picked up speed, and Doge turned into a genuine computerized cash with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $0.18226 and Doge is at present positioned #8 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Dogecoin is 144,113,906,384 with a market cap of $17,671,901,736. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 821% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Dogecoin is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Doge is down to nearly 1982% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Dogecoin. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and barely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Dogecoin value forecast synopsis. Our Dogecoin long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of $117.45 and $133.15. Ongoing information shows Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.11226. The cost of one Doge would reach as high as $0.2606 by 2025. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $169 mark. The typical extended cost for Dogecoin in 2040 is supposed to be $89.58, with likely fluctuations somewhere in the range of $82.88 and $166. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.11491. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.11742 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.11553. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.251. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.606 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.213. Doge value estimate for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2026 the cost of Dogecoin is estimated to be at around a base worth of $99. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $740 with a typical exchanging worth of $310 in USD. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2027. The cost of one Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least degree of $4,677 in 2027. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5,679 with the typical cost of $4,809 all through 2027. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Dogecoin cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.6352 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2027 with the typical figure cost of $0.6592. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.9504. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $110 with the typical worth of $19767. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.44 in 2030. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $169 with the typical cost of $0.48 all through 2030. Dogecoin Value Estimate 2031. Dogecoin cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2.6 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.49 with the typical conjecture cost of $2.12. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $3.33 in 2032. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.55 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.11 all through 2032. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $4.37 in 2033. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $5.22 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.52 all through 2033. Dogecoin Value Conjecture 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Dogecoin cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $82.88 and can reach as high as $166 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $89.58. Doge Value Figure for 2050. Inspecting authentic execution gives setting. However, it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2050, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least value worth of $117.45. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $133.15 with the typical worth of $123.15. Dogecoin Value Figure Facts. How high might Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin Doge could go to $0.2553 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $0.6592 mark.